In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Asana for storing Excel and Word documents. Asana is a powerful tool that helps streamline project management tasks, and today we're going to focus on its capability to store and manage your important documents. By the end of this video, you'll be proficient in storing and organizing your Excel and Word files in Asana, ensuring that your team has easy access to these resources. Let's get started by heading over to the Asana website. Open up your web browser and navigate to Asana's web page. Once you've arrived, you'll notice the Login button conveniently placed in the top right corner. Go ahead and click on that. Doing so will prompt a login screen with multiple sign-in options. For simplicity and ease, let's use the Continue with Google option. Click on it, and if you're not already signed into your Google account, you'll need to choose the appropriate account from the list provided. If your account isn't listed, just enter your details to log in. Once you're logged into Asana, navigate to the specific project where you intend to store your documents. You'll see a dashboard that displays all your ongoing projects. Locate your desired project and click on it. This lands you in the project's workspace, where you can see all associated tasks, resources, and other relevant information. Within your project, find the task that will be home to the documents you're about to upload. Click on it to open the Task Details pane. This area is designed for task-specific information and interactions, including comments, attachments, and more. Next, focus on the Comment section of the task. This is where you'll upload your Excel or Word documents. Look for the paperclip icon, a universal symbol for attachments. Click on it to initiate the document upload process. A dialog box will appear, allowing you to choose a file. Click this option and browse your computer for the relevant document. Whether it's an Excel spreadsheet or a Word document, locate the file, select it, and confirm your choice. Now, with your document ready to be uploaded, navigate back to the task's comment section. You'll notice options to either comment or send. Clicking on Comment or Send will attach your file to the task, making it accessible to all members with access to the project. This is an efficient way to ensure that all essential documents are stored together with their respective tasks, allowing team members to find and utilize them as needed. And there we have it. You've successfully learned how to upload and store Excel and Word documents in Asana, simplifying document management in your projects. This feature not only keeps your files organized, but also promotes collaborative efficiency by ensuring everyone has access to the right resources at the right time. Thanks for watching, and happy organizing!